Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation 1 over x plus 1 whole cubed plus 30 over x plus 2 equal to 30 over x. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we move this 30 over x plus 2 to the right hand side. Then the equation will become 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed equal to 30 divided by x minus 30 divided by x plus 2. Now we can factor out 30 from these two terms, so this will become 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed equal to 30 as common factor, in bracket left 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Next 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed equal to 30 times, we take LCM of these two denominators, the LCM is x times x plus 2. So x plus 2 times 1, x plus 2, and x times negative 1, negative x, and this negative x will be cancelled out with this positive x. The equation will become 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed equal to 30 times this 2 will become 60 divided by x times x will become x squared, and x times 2 plus 2x. Now to make this x squared plus 2x a perfect square, we add here 1, also subtract 1. So by using this algebraic identity, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal to a plus b whole squared, this x squared plus 2x plus 1 will become 60 divided by x plus 1 whole squared. This negative 1 remains same, negative 1 equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed. Now we have x plus 1 here and x plus 1 here. So we suppose that let x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 equal to u. So this equation will become 1 over u cubed equal to 60 divided by u squared minus 1. Now by using cross multiplication, this equation will become 60 times u cubed, 60 u cubed, and 1 time u squared is u squared, 1 time negative 1, negative 1. Move these two terms to the left hand side. The equation will become 60 u cubed minus u squared plus 1 equal to 0. Now in this cubic equation, the nearest cubed number to this 60 is 64, that is equal to 4 cubed. So we rewrite this 60 u cubed as 64 u cubed minus 4 u cubed. This negative u squared plus 1 remains same, negative u squared plus 1 equal to 0. Since 1 is same as 1 cubed, so we group these two numbers, 60 u cubed and this one. So this will become, we can rewrite this 64 u cubed as 4 times u whole cubed plus this 1 is same as 1 cubed this negative 4u cubed, negative 4u cubed minus u squared equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. This 4u cubed plus 1 cubed will become 4 times u plus 1 times 4u squared is 16u squared minus 4 times u plus 1 squared is 1, and from these two terms negative 4u cubed minus u squared, we can factor out negative u squared. In bracket left 4 times u plus 1 equal to 0, and this 4u plus 1 is a common factor, so we factor out this 4 times u plus 1, and in bracket left 16u squared minus 4 times u plus 1 minus u squared equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become 4 times u plus 1 times 16u squared minus 1u squared will become 15u squared minus 4 times u plus 1 equal to 0. Either this expression 4 times u plus 1 equal to 0, or this second factor 15u squared minus 4 times u plus 1 equal to 0. From this equation, u will be equal to negative 1 over 4, and from this quadratic equation, according to quadratic formula, u will be equal to positive 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared will become negative 4 squared minus 4 times a is 15 times c is 1 divided by 2 times a is 15. Further simplify, u will be equal to 4 plus minus the square root of negative 4 squared is 16, and negative 4 times 15 negative 60 divided by 2 times 15 is 30, and u will be equal to 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 60 will become negative 44 divided by 30. Next, u is equal to 4 plus minus root negative 44 can be written as root 4 times root negative 1 times root 11 divided by 30, and u will be equal to 4 plus minus root 4 will become 2, and root negative 1 is I times root 11 divided by 30. From the numerator we can factor out 2. This will become u is equal to 2 times 2 plus minus I times root 11 divided by this 30 is same as 2 times 15. Now this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we get u is equal to 2 plus minus I times root 11 divided by 15, and first we found that u is equal to negative 1 over 4. To find the values of x, recall that we have supposed that x plus 1 equal to u. we have supposed that x plus 1 equal to u. So when u is negative 1 over 4, then x will be equal to negative 1 over 4 minus 1, and x will be equal to negative 1 over 4 minus 1 is same as 4 over 4. So x will be equal to, the common denominator is 4, negative 1 minus 4 will become negative 5, and when u is equal to this expression, then x will be equal to 2 plus minus I times root 11 divided by 15 minus 1, and x will be equal to 2 plus minus I times root 11 divided by 15 minus 1 is same as 15 over 15, and x will be equal to, we write the common denominator 15, and 2 minus 15 will become negative 13 plus minus I times root 11. This is first and this is second and third. So we have three solutions for this equation. First one is negative 5 over 4, and second and third is negative 13 plus minus I times root 11 over 15.